Labour access law to ignore court orders. We know Tory party while in power, they made a law that minister can ignore interim order for the European Court of Human Rights. However, the Labour is scraping this power that enables minister to ignore interim order from European Court of Human Rights. Our fear that it breaches international law. Sir Keir Starmer's Border Security, Asylum and Immigration Bill will repeal provision introduced by the Rishi Sunak government to restrict the power of domestic and internal court. Law passed by Sunak government introduced a legal right for the minister to disregard interim injunction from UK court and European court in Strasbourg. The Illegal Migration Act 2023 first introduced the measures, and it was strengthened the safety of Rwanda Act last year as a part of conservative government attempt to deport migrants who arrive in the UK illegally via small boat and other routes. So, last Tory government had added under the Illegal Migration Act 2023, the minister can ignore interim order from local court or internal court. Now, Labour new border security bill repealed this matter. Government sources said Labour decision to scrap the power to ensure UK does not breach internal law. Labour is doing this one because to ensure, they want to ensure that Labour government is not breaching in any international law. But Philp, Shadow Home Secretary, said there is authorities' legal opinion that interim orders are not binding. But Tory party is still telling that it is not binding, so we can ignore this order. However, Labour is ignoring the order. Labour is repealing the order, scraping the order, the power under this new law, which is tabled to Parliament last week, and it will be law in the end of July 2025. The entire bill is nothing more than a charter for illegal immigrants. This was said by Philp, Shadow Home Secretary. Anyway, gist of this video is that Labour access law to ignore court orders. And this order says that this law will repeal the power, authority given to the ministers that they can ignore interim order from the court. But now this law will be scrapped under new law will be enacted by Labour Party. This bill has been placed in Parliament last week. Let's see what happens. We have to wait until July 2025. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.